brand new Ford F-150 King Ranch. This is the best hard folding cover on the market right here. It's called the UnderCover ArmorFlex. They have this beautiful new finish on it, which is gonna keep your cargo safe and dry. The ArmorFlex is made by UnderCover, so it's the best brand right now. People like the low profile finish of it. It has a very low point on the tailgate here, so I don't see any way anyone's able to rip this open. You're not able to shove anything under there like you may see some videos of. So rest assured your stuff's gonna stay safe. Lower your tailgate, you're able to open the cover. From either side, you lift this pull cable and this is what unlocks the cover. So when you fold it, it locks on the rail system. It's clamped onto the truck, so no drilling is required. It has the water, the drain tubes to keep the water out. You fold this cover, you flip it up, you fold it, you flip it up. If you want to drive down the road, you can buckle it here and you're driving down the road highway speed safe. This cover has a 5-year warranty, which covers all of the locking mechanisms, the moldings on the side. These are meant to withstand the intense heat. It has weather sealing in the front that keeps the water out, so don't worry about anything getting under there because it has a sealing right under there. And each time you fold it, it locks on the rail system, so it's going to keep your stuff safe and secure. Visit truckaccessplus.com if you want the new ArmorFlex installed on your truck today.